Hi everyone, 안녕하세요. This is Haeryong. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make steamed clams with gochujang sauce. Have you ever tried clams with gochujang sauce in Korean style? My mom created this recipe and I loved so much. My daughter, my husband loved it too. Hope you like this recipe too. Let's get started. This is the clams for today. Remove sand from the clams and wash them well. Today it's about 1 kilogram and I'm gonna use this cooking sake. Here is the seasonings for the sauce, gochujang sauce, and the vegetables and the mushrooms I'm going to add today. Let's cut the leek. I'm going to use 1 stalk of leek today. So how we cut, I can just cut diagonally. Yeah. So I'm going to chop this spring onions. Spring onion is spicy to make me cry. Okay, I'm gonna chop garlic. Okay, so preparation done. By the way, I trimmed the enoki mushroom at the bottom. Move on to the next step. Now we are going to combine all the seasoning ingredients. So what we have here, the gochujang, miso paste, and garlic, red chili pepper powder. Mix. Then I'm going to add the bowl of water here. Gochujang sauce is done. Add the sesame oil, add the garlic, add the clams, put the sake, and cover them. Steam over high heat. Today we made steamed clams with the gochujang sauce. How was it? It looks delicious, right? For details of the ingredients and the steps how to remove sand from the clams, everything is in description. So please check that below. Thanks for watching my cooking video today again. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you next time. 사랑해요.